Brought to you by Zone Insurance, formerly operating as Arkansas Best Insurance. Untangling your headphones? Frustrating. But shopping with Auto Owners Insurance is easy. Call ABR. Auto Owners Insurance makes sense for you.
I'm meteorologist Alan Archer. A lot of heat coming up over the next few days, with soaring into the mid-90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. For tonight, partly is 76, partly sunny at 93.
We'll save you tons and tons of money on noodles.
Heat indices 98 to 100.
$6.99.
Humidity. Chance of a thunder shower comes about here on Tuesday night. I'm meteorologist Alan Archer for Homestar Roofing and Bathrooms Weather Center.
Bunch of songs. We call it a US 97 Music Marathon. Loaded with Arkansas's best variety of country on 97.5 US 97.